Have you ever wondered how the astronauts, the people that travel to the space, how they move around in space? One of the law of gravity here on Earth is that anything that goes up must always come down. But it's quite a different ballgame in the space. In space, anything that goes up stays up and hangs there. The same thing with human. Now, if you've ever wondered how the astronauts move around in the space, stop wondering, because in this video, I'm going to introduce you to an application in Oculus Quest that will enable you understand how the astronauts move around in space, what their movement actually looks like, and how they move around in space. So let's dive right into my Oculus Quest. Let me show you guys this application that you can use to move around in space and understand what the astronaut movement looks like, what it feels like to move around in the space.
Use the translational joystick on the left and the rotational joystick on the right to bring the arm into position.
So we're right here in my Oculus Quest. We're going to open this app, and this app is called Mission ISS. You guys can see this is Mission ISS. So click and open it. This application actually makes you move around in the space, understand how and what it feels for you to move around, what the gravity feels like in space.
Please select Training, Mission, or Explorer mode.
So we're going to first of all select Training. There's Training, there's Missions, there's Explore. Let's go and select Training. So these are the functions of the button, movements, menu, and all that. So let's press any key and start.
Welcome to the International Space Station. Reach up with your left hand and hold down the X button to reveal your tablet computer. The tablet shows a schematic of the ISS. In addition to the layout of the modules, your current location and orientation are indicated by the yellow triangle on the map. You'll need to learn how to move yourself through the station. The touch thumbsticks control both your forward and backward movement and your rotation. The right thumbstick turns you either left or right by 30 degrees. Give it a try. The left thumbstick controls your momentum. Push up on the thumbstick and you'll move forward in whatever direction you're looking. Try it now. Now use the left thumbstick to get to the other end of the module. Keep moving through the station, starting with the Destiny module. You'll need to find some equipment in Node 3. Good. With some practice, you'll be able to use both thumbsticks at the same time to move yourself quickly where you want to go. It's time to learn how to move yourself through the station. Without any gravity, you'll need to use handbars to push and pull yourself through the station. Find a blue bar on your left or right, then grab it and keep holding on. While you hold onto it, pull forward slowly and release the grip button to let go and propel yourself. The faster you pull, the faster you'll move. Don't pull too fast. Most seasoned astronauts use a light touch on the handbars. Good. You can find bars in the middle of modules, or push and pull yourself off desks, equipment, or the walls themselves. With some practice, you'll be able to use both hands to move yourself quickly and accurately.
Wow, this is...
It looks like some cargo is loose and is blocking the hatch to Node 3. Take the cargo bag and put it in storage.
They're saying I should go and take this cargo bag and put it in storage.
Remember to press the grip button while you touch the bag and keep holding the button to hang on to it, as if the bag is really in your hand. Great. You can use the same technique to grab and move most objects on the station. Go ahead and carry the bag forward into the module, where there's storage space for supplies. Now secure the bag. You can leave it in the empty space with the rest of the cargo. Things have a tendency to get loose on station, so it's important to make sure nothing is lost.
The bag does not even want to stay.
Congratulations! It looks like you're ready to begin the mission. Now that you know how to move and work in microgravity, explore the other modules. And to learn more about anything you see on the station, raise your right index finger to point at it while holding the grip button on your controller. If either a photograph or a video related to that object exists, the object will appear highlighted in front of you. Keep pointing at it for at least 2 seconds, and the photo or video will appear. To close the image or stop playback, just point anywhere outside the window and press your trigger button. Give it a try. And to learn more about anything you see on the station, raise your right index finger to point at it while holding the grip button on your controller. If either a photograph or a video related to that object exists, the object will appear highlighted in front of you. Keep pointing at it for at least 2 seconds, and the photo or video will appear. To close the image or stop playback, just point anywhere outside the window and press your trigger button. Give it a try. And to learn more about anything you see on the station, raise your right index finger to point at it while holding the grip button on your controller.
Have to go to the movement here is just crazy. Control the movement is so hard. You have to practice, because if you push your joystick, it goes too fast. Wow. astronaut mission. I have achieved the first. Let's go. I think we'll have to go to the explore since we have done the training. Let's go to explore. We're done with the training. Explore the city lab. Learn to operate the Canada. Go on the spacewalk. Let's tap on it. Press any button.
Mission Control to ISS. Please go to Node 3 for capsule docking. I say again, please go to Node 3 for capsule docking. Use your tablet to see where Node 3 is located. When you have the map up, you'll be able to select any module by pointing and touching it with your right index finger, and you'll immediately go there. Whether you use your hand controls or select it on the tablet, proceed to Node 3.
Node 3 is straight down right. Let's go to Node 3.
Go ahead and continue to Node 3.
Straight down right.
The name of Node 3 is Tranquility. This is where oxygen generation, carbon dioxide removal, and water recovery is done on the ISS. If you haven't found it already, look around for the cupola. Depending on how you're oriented, you can probably find it below you. Without gravity, you can rotate yourself and turn head over heels to make yourself upside down relative to the station. Press up on your right thumbstick to rotate until the cupola is over your head. Then move yourself up and inside. The cupola is every astronaut's favorite location on the ISS because it has such a fantastic view of the Earth. Take a moment to see what home looks like from 250 miles above the surface. This is also a great spot to watch approaching spacecraft. We have an unmanned resupply mission ready to dock at the station. You'll need to commence manual docking. Initiate the docking procedure from your tablet by tapping on your selection with your finger. Approach the controls and we'll guide you through the procedure. Approach the controls and we'll guide you through the procedure. Now that you're at the controls, you'll see monitors showing the view from your external cameras. The joysticks in front of you will control the Remote Manipulator System, or RMS, which is the main robotic arm. The RMS is attached to a platform called the Mobile Base System, or MBS. The translational joystick can move straight in any direction, in and out, left and right, up and down. You should be able to see both the capsule and the capture port on two monitors. Try moving the joysticks and see how the robotic arm responds. Use the translational joystick on the left and the rotational joystick on the right to bring the arm into position. Use the translational joystick on the left and the rotational joystick on the right to bring the arm into position. You should see the docking port highlighted on the capsule above you. Move the arm to capture position and lock onto the port. Whoa, whoa! Now try again, and take it slowly this time. You're doing... Do not hit the capsule with the arm. Looking good, be sure. is confirmed. The next step is to move the capsule into position at the ISS hatch. The ship will latch onto the station automatically. Slowly, ISS. Slowly. Move the capsule to the hatch. You're almost there. Whatever you do, don't hit the station with the arm. Make sure you're aligned with the hatch on your remote view. Make sure you're aligned with the hatch on your remote view. Slowly, ISS. Slowly. Slowly, ISS. Slowly. That wasn't the prettiest dock we've ever seen, ISS. Why don't you let us handle the next one? And when you return, be sure to put in for some training time at Johnson's VR lab.
Oh,
That wasn't
this
the
is
prettiest
crazy.
dock we've ever seen.
This is one of the craziest game. This feels good anyway. This feels really good to play because you have to use your joystick and be controlling the satellite and every other thing. Wow, it's just amazing how how you can virtually do everything in VR. Even right now, it seems like as if you can control an airplane and do so many things with virtual reality. That is what it's looking like. So guys, this is the end of this video, and the name of this application is Mission ISS. You can download it in SideQuest. You can download it in SideQuest, and it's a free game. And check it out. So if this is your very first time of watching my video, my name is Asuken Kinsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I give you update on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my content, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and make sure the notification button is turned on so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.